subscribe if you want more number blocks. Want to ride a ride today? Yes, please. Okay. Get in the back one. Wait, why do we have no bike? Ah! Oh, that hurt my hand. Me too. I wonder what's happening. Guys, run! What? The devil's here. Here, I found your bike. They put in the UFO and I got it quickly. Here. Yoink. Yoink. Bye, 13. Bye. I wonder when the tail twos will come. I should have known when that was coming. One down, 13 more to go. Do that trick. Do that trick. Again? Yeah, so okay, put your lucky me. Lucky me. Huh? 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 guys can win. And it's a 6v2. You guys are losing. That was too. What? I'm a square, I'm a square, I'm a square, I am a square. No, I am a square, 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 I am a square. Now let's walk in, you three guys. I'm 5. And welcome to a wonderful singing contest. High five. Ooh. Up high. I. Down low. Oh, too slow. Oh, high five. Ooh. We got this right. Yeah, we do. That's easy. We're about to become a 4, okay? Oh. Come on. Come on. We're going to make you a new number, okay? A number that you lost, okay? Okay. Get ready. Ah! Hey, look, you got some more. It's not. Hang on. You got a mouse. Ah! What? The friend? Here goes nothing. Ah! Ah! I guess 1 is the strongest. Well, guys, like and subscribe if you want more videos of this guy and the other number blocks. Thanks for watching. Bye.